Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Google Chrome sound is not working properly on your computer. So if you notice that other browsers are working fine and maybe you have Windows Media Player open and the audio is working fine, so you can see your system speakers are not muted down here, and physically if there are any cables unplugged or the speakers are turned off, like the button maybe is pressed in, you gotta flip the switch or press a button. You want to make sure you check all that out first. And if you're still having the problem, go ahead and just check up at the top tab of the Chrome browser, and if you might have accidentally muted it by mistake. So if you right click on a tab and you select mute site, it actually will mute that site. So if you actually go on a site, you'll notice if you start playing audio, there'll be a little volume icon next to it when it says the audio is muted. So if I just go to my channel, for example, here, and let's say I mute the site, which I think I already did here, and a video starts to play. You notice that the little speaker icon appears that it's muted up at the top of the tab. So in order to unmute the site, you just would right click on the tab and select unmute site, and that would unmute the entire site. So just so you're aware of that, and then you can see the little speaker icon appears without a line going through it. So pretty straightforward process there, guys, on how to resolve that. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.